This is it. Bring it on in here. Bring it right around this way, right here, nice and tight. This is gonna be the first spin of the day. Who's ready to buy one?
Yeah!
All right, here we're gonna do. I'm gonna have this big guy right here, cut the lock right over the door. I'm gonna show it to you. How's that sound? All right, guys, bring it on in. Let's have ourselves an auction. I'm looking inside, I like what I see. I gotta take your 100 right down. Got 3, 6 from George, now we're into 4. 600. All right, here we go. 600 pound, but an 8. 800 pound, but an 1,000.
Bang, bang, up, yeah.
I know what you're saying. I'll take it. Bang. 129 go 3. I got 3,025 pounds. Bang. 3,050. 3,025 now. I got 3,025. What? 3,025 twice. All in fair warning. Is everybody out?
What?
Be badass.
Well, what do we got here?
Hey, let's bring it in. Make way for the auctioneer. Who wants $25? Boom. Papa Bear's at $25.
Yeah.
75. Boom, boom. Money out. Who wants $500? Papa Bear's got it. Boom, 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 boom. Now we're talking money.
What do we got here?
Well, I can tell you what we got. We got about $2,000 worth of stuff that we have no idea what it is. I'm a little worried that we may have lost